Let me ask you if this sounds familiar. You're on your way to work or on your way to school or maybe even to the grocery store, and suddenly you're hit from behind. You've had a rear impact motor vehicle crash, and now your neck hurts, your upper back hurts, you're not sleeping well, you can't move your neck very well. Life just sucks right now. In the next episode of the Defeating Pain podcast, we're going to cover that. We're going to discuss what happens when you get hit from behind. What is the actual movements that your neck and head take? What structures? What does it look like when the muscles and ligaments are suddenly thrown forward and backward violently? And what is causing the pain? But even more importantly, we're going to talk about how you can implement BioWave GO right away in your home therapy to get you out of pain as quickly as possible, to get you moving better, and get you sleeping better. So that's in this next episode. And hey, be sure and listen because you know what? All you have to do is lose the pain.